Hi, I'm Lily at Circus Brighton, and in this tutorial I'm going to attempt to teach you the helicopter move. We've done the corkscrew, and this helicopter move is on the same sort of plane, whereas most of our moves are kind of in front or behind of us. This one comes onto a horizontal plane, so it gives your flow and your dance a bit more flavour, a bit more depth. So it's a really nice move to kind of put in. Now with our corkscrew, we had it down below and we were chasing. With the helicopter, they are going to be going in opposite directions. So they're going to be coming in. Now I practice this by starting off down below. Now what I'm doing is my right hand has poi spinning in an anti-clockwise or a counterclockwise way. My left hand is spinning and stirring that pot in a clockwise direction. So they're both coming in. So if I was too close, they would hit me on the stomach. So I'm just going to try and keep them there. And this is how you get into the move. Now the way I actually learned the move, the way it was taught to me, was just to do it. But we're going to try and break it down for you just a little bit, okay? Because it can be quite a scary move and it looks a bit frantic when you just kind of go into it, because it's like type move and it can go a bit crazy. So we're going to start with one. I'm going to start with my left because that's my bad hand, and it's going to be doing a stirring the pot just to the side in a clockwise direction. Then it's going to come up over my head just like we did with the corkscrew. If you haven't done that one yet, check out the tutorial. I'll stick the link up there somewhere. Now you're stirring your pot and you're just going to bring it up and over your head. Now get used to the feeling of it being up over your head, and keep an eye on it as well, that it's not going down behind your head, that it's not all off. You want to make sure that it is flat above your head. Now we're going to do the same for the other hand, but this is going to be in the other direction. So this one is going to be in anti-clockwise or counterclockwise as I'm stirring my pot down here. And then as I bring it up to the helicopter move, I'm going to keep an eye on it, make sure it's flat, make sure it's straight. So to get into the move, I'm going to be stirring my pots. And as we come up, they go around the outside. You bring your hands up and over your head, and you are doing a butterfly movement but above your head. So when we learnt the butterfly in front of us, you're sweeping it up into that move but above your head, and we're trying to keep a flat plane. So you've got your helicopter. So we swing our point in, so you're stirring, 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 and then I'm going to bring it up over my head. And back down. But that is how you do your helicopter. Good luck with this move. Let me know in the comment section down below how you got on, what worked, what didn't, if you need any help, and also if you've got any moves that you really want us to cover, let me know in the comments. And otherwise, I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye! Over your head. Donk.